And another lot recommendation ko naman sa inyo is sobrang close lang dito sa ating clubhouse. So by the way guys, no, this is our main clubhouse as you can see. And of course, no, katabi natin yung clubhouse parking. And syempre yung mga function hall. This lot is located at Block 9, Lot 3A, which is just here at 340 square meters. So guys, no, sobrang ganda nitong lot na to because this is at 340 square meters. Malaki din yung lote niya, but guess what? This is only 16.5 million, no? Yes, yan yung price. But then, this is 5 years to pay at 0% interest or for as low as 20,000 pesos per month. 5 years to pay at 0% interest with 20,000 pesos per month in 5 years, no? Sobrang gaan niya lang nun with annual lump sum. So guys, ang lapit niya pa sa clubhouse, you're just across the clubhouse and the amenity. So dito, ire-reserve nyo lang to ulit for 70,000 sa mga OFW clients na naghahanap na mapaglalagyan ng money nila. Guys, sobrang ganda mag-invest ng lote dito sa Arden.